You know that feeling, right? The one where your clothes feel a little tighter than they used to? You catch your reflection and barely recognize the person staring back. The number on the scale seems to mock you, a constant reminder of the goals you haven't reached. It's frustrating, it's disheartening, and it's a struggle millions of us face every single day. Losing weight can feel like an uphill battle, a constant fight against cravings, temptations, and our own self-doubt. You've tried every fad diet, every quick fix, only to find yourself back where you started, or worse. The truth is, there's no magic bullet, no overnight solution. But that doesn't mean you're destined to stay stuck in this cycle forever. You have the power to change, to reclaim your health and your confidence. It starts with understanding that you're not alone in this journey. We've all been there, felt that frustration, that desperation for a solution that actually works. But it's about more than just shedding pounds. It's about transforming your life from the inside out. This is about rediscovering the joy of movement, the energy that comes from nourishing your body with healthy foods, and the immense satisfaction of proving to yourself that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. It's time to stop beating yourself up and start embracing the incredible potential that lies within you. So how did we get here? How did those extra pounds creep onto our frames, slowly but surely chipping away at our self-esteem? It's easy to point fingers at the usual suspects: those late-night cravings, the oversized portions, the lack of time for exercise. And while these factors certainly play a role, the story of weight gain is often far more complex. Our bodies are intricate systems, influenced by a myriad of factors beyond just calories in and calories out. Stress, hormonal imbalances, lack of sleep, even environmental toxins can all contribute to weight gain. It's not about placing blame, but about understanding the root causes so we can develop a targeted and sustainable approach to weight loss. The good news is that there are safe and effective methods to lose weight quickly, without resorting to extreme measures that compromise your health. It starts with setting realistic goals. Aiming to lose 20 pounds in a month might seem tempting, but it's crucial to prioritize your well-being above rapid results. Sustainable weight loss typically falls within the range of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This might sound slow, but it's the key to long-term success. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Your focus should be on making gradual, lasting changes that you can maintain over time. Let's face it, when we think about weight loss, the first thing that pops into our minds is food. We obsess over calories, scrutinize every ingredient, and often find ourselves trapped in a cycle of restrictive diets that leave us feeling deprived and defeated. While making healthier food choices is undeniably important, it's only one piece of the puzzle. True transformation requires a holistic approach, one that addresses not just what you eat, but how you live. It's about cultivating a lifestyle that supports your weight loss goals and nourishes your body and mind. This means incorporating regular exercise into your routine, finding ways to manage stress, and prioritizing sleep. Think of it this way: your body is a finely tuned instrument. Just like a musical instrument needs regular tuning and care to perform at its best, your body needs the right fuel, movement, and rest to function optimally. When you neglect any of these elements, the entire system suffers, and weight gain is often a symptom of this imbalance. So before you jump on the latest fad diet or punish yourself with grueling workouts, take a step back and consider the bigger picture. Ask yourself, what are the areas in my life where I can make small but impactful changes? Could I swap those sugary drinks for water? Could I take the stairs instead of the elevator? Could I carve out 30 minutes for a brisk walk in the park? We live in a world obsessed with instant gratification. We want everything fast, easy, and effortless. And the weight loss industry thrives on this desire, bombarding us with promises of miraculous results with minimal effort. But let's be honest, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Those fad diets that promise to melt away pounds in days, they're often unsustainable and can even be detrimental to your health. Those magic pills and potions that claim to burn fat while you sleep, they're usually nothing more than expensive placebos. Don't fall prey to these marketing ploys that exploit your desire for a quick fix. Remember, there's no shortcut to sustainable weight loss. It requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to embrace the journey, bumps and all. Instead of seeking external solutions, shift your focus inward. Tap into your inner strength, your resilience, and your determination to succeed. You are capable of achieving amazing things, but it starts with believing in yourself and trusting the process. Ditch the quick fixes and embrace the power of slow and steady progress. It's in the daily grind, the consistent effort, that true transformation occurs. Section 5. The power of small steps. The thought of overhauling your entire life can feel overwhelming, even paralyzing. But here's a secret. You don't have to become a health guru overnight. In fact, trying to change too much too soon often backfires, leading to burnout and frustration. The real magic happens when you embrace the power of small steps. Instead of focusing on the monumental task of losing 20 pounds, break it down into manageable, bite-sized goals. Start by committing to one small change this week, like swapping soda for water or adding a 20-minute walk to your daily routine. Once that becomes a habit, add another small change the following week. These seemingly insignificant tweaks, when compounded over time, create a ripple effect that leads to significant and lasting results. It's like the analogy of the snowball. It starts small, but as it rolls down the hill, it gathers momentum and grows exponentially. Your journey to weight loss is much the same. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. There will be days when you slip up, when you indulge in that extra slice of pizza or skip your workout. Don't beat yourself up about it. Acknowledge it, learn from it, and get back on track. Progress, not perfection, is the key. Section 6. Embrace the journey. Weight loss isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the lessons you learn, the strength you discover, and the person you become along the way. It's about pushing past your comfort zone, challenging your limits, and proving to yourself that you are capable of more than you ever thought possible. Embrace the challenges, the setbacks, and the triumphs, for they are all part of the process. There will be days when you feel like giving up, when the scale won't budge, and your motivation dwindles. But it's in those moments of doubt that you dig deep, tap into your inner resolve, and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Remember, this is about more than just shedding pounds. It's about reclaiming your health, your vitality, and your zest for life. It's about feeling confident in your own skin, having the energy to chase your dreams, and living each day to the fullest. This journey is yours and yours alone. Own it, embrace it, and savor every step of the way. The transformation you're about to experience will extend far beyond the physical. It will touch every aspect of your being.
Know you've been a good friend.
They say it takes a village to raise a child, and the same can be said about achieving a significant life change like weight loss. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network of people who understand your struggles, cheer on your successes, and hold you accountable can make all the difference in the world. Whether it's your family, friends, colleagues, or a weight loss support group, finding your tribe is crucial for staying motivated and on track. These are the people who will pick you up when you're feeling down, celebrate your victories, and remind you of your strength when you doubt yourself. Sharing your goals and challenges with others creates a sense of accountability and provides a much-needed emotional outlet. Knowing that someone is there to listen, offer encouragement, and share in your journey can make the toughest days feel a little bit brighter. Don't underestimate the power of human connection. Reach out, build your support system, and allow yourself to be vulnerable. Remember, you're not in this alone. There are people who care, who want to see you succeed, and who are ready to walk alongside you on this transformative path. In the pursuit of our goals, we often get caught up in the end result that we forget to acknowledge and celebrate the small victories along the way. Every pound lost, every healthy meal choice, every workout completed, every temptation resisted. These are all significant achievements that deserve to be celebrated. Take the time to acknowledge your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Pat yourself on the back, do a little dance, treat yourself to a non-food reward, whatever brings you joy and reinforces your commitment to this journey. Celebrating these milestones helps to maintain motivation and creates a positive feedback loop that fuels your continued efforts. Remember, weight loss is not a linear process. There will be plateaus, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But by focusing on and celebrating the wins, you shift your perspective from a place of deprivation to a place of accomplishment and empowerment. This journey is about progress, not perfection. So embrace every step forward, no matter how small, and celebrate those victories like you've just conquered Mount Everest. Because in a way, you have. You've conquered your own inner resistance, your own self-doubt, and you're emerging stronger, healthier, and more vibrant than ever before. As you shed those extra pounds, something remarkable begins to happen. It's not just your body that's transforming, it's your entire being. You start to see yourself differently, to appreciate your strength, your resilience, and your capacity for change. Confidence blossoms, energy soars, and a newfound zest for life takes hold. The transformation that occurs within is far more profound than any number on the scale could ever reflect. It's about rediscovering your inner spark, the part of you that knows you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. It's about reclaiming your power, your self-worth, and your belief in your own potential. This journey is about so much more than just fitting into a smaller dress size. It's about expanding your horizons, embracing new challenges, and living a life that is aligned with your values and aspirations. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, both inside and out. As you continue on this path, remember that the true measure of success is not the number on the scale, but the transformation that takes place within. It's the newfound confidence, the unshakable self-belief, and the unwavering determination to live a life that is vibrant, fulfilling, and authentically yours. You've read the stories, listened to the experts, and witnessed the incredible transformations of others. Now it's your turn. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. You hold the key to your own health and happiness. Don't wait for the perfect moment, for that magical day when everything aligns. That day is today. Take that first step, no matter how small. Lace up your sneakers and go for a walk. Swap that sugary drink for a glass of water. Choose a healthy meal over fast food. Every choice you make, every action you take, brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. There's a community of people who understand your struggles, who are cheering you on, and who are ready to support you every step of the way. Reach out, connect, and draw strength from the collective power of those who are on this path with you. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and never look back. Your transformation awaits. Are you ready to claim it?